Welcome to the Welsh language music quiz for Siarter Iaith and Cymraeg campus with me, Aled Von Owen, here in the studio. Well, in the first part of today's quiz, we are going to celebrate the contributions of girls to the Welsh music scene. We will get to know some girls that sing traditional Welsh songs up to the most modern and cutting-edge songs. And in the second part, we will hear about some of the girls that have inspired some of the most popular Welsh language songs. And in the final part of the quiz, well, I've got my Christmas jumper on, which means we are going to celebrate some of the most unique Welsh Christmas songs. Well, in the first quiz, I am going to introduce you to 6 girls or groups of girls that are popular in Wales. You will listen to 6 songs, and in your workbooks, you will try and connect who sings which song. Now, there should be plenty of clues there, and I will give you some clues in the video. Along the way, you will see this symbol, and this will give you an opportunity to press pause and to think and discuss before carrying on. Okay? If you're ready, here's artist number 1.